I want to see whether you've been able to beat the enthusiasm out of Chris Gilmore here on the trade of the day, Paul. Where are we going?
SABMiller, but I'm going to leave this one to Chris. I mean, just summarize for us again what the attractions of this at sort of 485 rands a share are.
I think a number of things, and for the moment I'll leave out potential corporate action because we've been talking about that a lot up until now with other companies. But I think this company covers the globe probably better than just about any other brewing company in terms of the fact that it's got a huge footprint, and it's either number one or two in terms of being the player in most of the countries in which it operates. A couple of exceptions there, Russia for example, although they're covering that now better with its holding in Anadolu Efes from Turkey. So I think they cover extremely well. This is a big cap stock. We're talking about the second biggest play on our market after BAT. So it's a serious player. It's also a very, very good rand hedge company, given the very big spread of currencies in which they operate. So look, I think there's just so much going for this with very, very few in the way of negatives. So
you can't go wrong.
I find it difficult to get negative in any way, shape or form about SABMiller.
Look, we've held it before in our portfolio, so we'd sort of risen it when it was sort of in the low 480s back to 500 plus.
So we made money off it.
We made money off it. We got out of it when it was at a fairly elevated level. It's now pulled back, so it's looking a little bit more appropriate. I suppose the currency does have a bit of a factor there, because being as it's principally listed in London, the move in the local price does follow the rand-pound currency exchange a little bit. That has been working against us. Remember also that we've got quite a concentrated short position in British America tobacco. So to some extent, having a long in SABMiller and a short in British America tobacco gives one a little bit of investment protection. So as the one goes up, the other one goes down sort of thing, they offset each other.
Gentlemen, thanks so much. That's it for Hot Stocks. Thanks to our guest, Chris Gilmore, ABSA Investments, and our resident expert, Paul Turan from Vestact.